Hello again, it's Noob, and I don't think I've ever seen an American lock quite like this. I think I've picked one of these, it's a double-sided wafer American locks, and this is series H10, but never one with a plastic bumper and like an orange enamel paint job. It's, I gotta say, it's really cool. I'm very jealous that it's not mine. This is actually a lock that belongs to my friend Yukov, who very kindly lent it to me. And yeah, very cool indeed. Double ball bearing mechanism. No real way to gut this as far as I can tell, but nevertheless, very cool indeed. There is the key. Look at that. In terms of wafers inside, I don't know. I think it's like 6 or 8, but it's very hard to tell. But we'll have a go at picking it anyway. So we're in the vise, and I'm going to be using this pry bar. It's just a 1.2mm one. I think we can put it into the bottom of the keyway like this, and that will be good for tensioning. Then I'm going to be using this monkey paw tool, this pick, to hopefully pick it. So I'm just going to start on the bottom. Nothing yet on the bottom. Just going along each of these wafers and seeing if anything wants to be picked and it doesn't, so going along the top. And there's a wafer there, that's one in the middle, there's one at the front now. Go back to the back. All these seem, oh, that was can you see that core move just then? That signifies that we're onto the bottom ones, I think, and I've just touched the wafer at the back. I don't know if I said lever at any point. If I did, I meant wafer, and we have an open. Just take this out of the vise and move the vise out of the way. So there we go. So ultra cool lock. This is the series H10 American lock. Very cool. Really like it. If you like this video or the lock, then please leave a like, stick a comment below. I read them all, reply to as many as I can, of course. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel and want to see more lock picking videos like this, then please subscribe. It really helps my channel out, and I'll see you all next time.